Fenjiang 4-layer shelf. Make home storage easier. Simple installation. First, check if all the parts are in place. Connect the two uprights with connectors. Assemble others upright in the same step. Install the foot protector at the bottom of the new long upright. Assemble the side frame. Use the short beams at the bottom and top to connect the two uprights. Then install the middle beam. Install the other side with the same steps. The left and right beams should be in the same position. Install the rear side long beams to connect the two side frames. Next, install the long front beam. Load the boards from the side. Finally, install the top foot protectors. 4 layers of adjustable layer spacing, reasonable classification and storage. Smooth placement, easy to take. Fenjiang shelf. Save your space.